against San Juan. You see this sequence that caused the injury of Rhea Di Maculangan. Veteran from UST will not return, but look, he's on the bench to provide support, morale for the rest of the team. Puts on her shoe again. I doubt that's pretty much for show. When I say that, yung pang ano na yan, pampagana doon sa mga teammates.
Saka sa opponent.
Ayan,
diba?
yung pa.
Okay, pwede pang bumalik. Tayo na naman may alam na secret lang kasi yun.
Oo nga, tama.
Zier Pasha now on the line. We are tied in this third set.
And she has gone to her jump serve throughout this match so far. The dig. Morado was there. Galit si Coach Roger dun sa attempt ni Jem.
Yes.
That's
kasi,
why.
You know,
Kaya pa eh, kaya iset.
Yes, correct. When you're a coach, and then even if Jem is really good at dump balls, but more often than not, pag kaya pang iset, dapat talaga iset. Let your spikers decide the point. Unless alam na alam mo kung saan mo dadalhin eh.
And so far, it hasn't worked for her today, ah. Kainglet in the middle this time. Chance again. Sinenyasan ni Jem Ferrer, si Gretchen Ho. There's a violation.
Double whammy for UST as point goes to Ateneo.
Tied game. 9-all, 1 set all. Live and exclusive on Studio 23. We are so happy to have you with us. A great crowd here at the arena. Very boisterous one. And a great game on hand between Ateneo and UST. 6-1 Ateneo. 4-3
And this
UST.
is how we expected the game.
Yep.
This third set.
Yep.
This is how we expected it to be.
We said it would be more competitive than the first meeting. The first round. 3 sets lamang, Ateneo winning. Now, we're guaranteed of 4. Oh, mababa.
Micah Ortiz.
Ito na yun. Ito na yung dito rin natin makikita, Mosey.
Yung consistency.
Yan. Oo.
Correct.
Kanina spurt eh. Spurt yung mga set
Adrenaline
niya.
rush towards the end of the game.
Crowd was behind you. Now we'll see when things settle down. Can she set consistently? So far, so good. Lastimosa finds the line.
And you know what's going to take is the decision-making that she will have to do in this game. Yun yung mahirap for
On
the
the
setter.
fly. Oh.
Diba?
Quick thinking.
Normally kasi pag second setter, you can see them that they will always give it to your yung parang best scorer mo eh. So mababasa ng kalaban mo. So yung variety will be in question.
Morado able to dig that one up. Set back.
Vallejo, turn back.
Poor support on the side of Lady Tigresses.
Kanina, ang ganda ng blocking natin ng first set. Nawala nung second. Now they're trying to get it back. Jem Ferrer now, the back line. From Hope. A product from Hope.
Full front line for Ateneo.
Correct.
Plus Phil Kainglet.
Back row.
And the back row.
Yep. Ortiz. Kainglet. There, as we said. Morado digging up well. And that's the blocking that we were looking for from Ateneo that was absent in the second set.
And look at this set. A bit low. That's why the blockers of Ateneo easily putting it back.
The Eagles now at the lead. Service.
Jamanea Ferrer, who in Hope was idolizing Ila Santos when she was a star there in the school. Huli. Kita yung gilid. Lastimosa has played solidly here for UST, Mosey.
That's right. That's why she's still in there for Coach Ogie Mamon. Pam Lastimosa, the younger sister, of course, of Carlo Lastimosa.
Who plays for? Update mo nga kami, Mosey.
Ayoko! Baka mamali ako.
Hindi natin alam eh.
No,
Diba? Bumalik ng CSB. Okay. Baka lang.
Tanungin natin si Pam dyan. Si Pam ang mas may alam.
Balik sa Ateneo, bola. Sumilip kay Valdez. Bumalik ang bola kay Valdez.
Good timing. Pam Lastimosa on that block.
And now, Coach Roger will go to the bench.
It's actually De Leon on that block.
Jesus.
Elisa Valdez will sit down. The spark plug that they have, Ella De Jesus is always ready to play.
Now it's a turn of Coach Roger Gurayev to pull out new faces.
That's the first time, no? Today? First time na humatak siya sa bench. Oh, bad reception. Ferrer, underhand set. Napaganda pa. Another free ball. Nakachi on the quick. Panatikla, able to pop it up. Free ball. Nope.
Oh, and that's
Goes
not
outside the
going to
antenna.
get in.
Baka hindi nyo nakita yung angulo sa TV, ha? Kasi it did not go
Yes.
inside the antenna, no, Mozi?
Sa labas tumaan.
Sa labas. Bawal yan pagka ganyan. Tignan natin uli. Para lang malinaw para sa ating mga televiewers what the violation was. Yun sa
Yun.
labas ng antena. Easy take, but confusion on Ferrer and Herbacio.
Again, Pam Lastimosa
UST now at the lead.
on that back set by Lantin, connecting once again.
Doon na si Ferrer, medyo inagaw ni Herbacio. Hindi mo naman masisi, ganyan din talaga. Pero, ang point doon mag-usap.
And plus the fluidity of Ateneo from the first set.
Oh.
Oh,
And again, Kainglet and Lazaro entangled. And again, UST with a 2-point lead here. 15-13. Nahuli yung palo. Itong si Gretchen Ho. We gotta give it to these girls from both sides. They are
Timosa.
killing it and gutting it out on the floor.
Oh, and Ella.
Down the
You know,
line.
I was about to say, si Jesus, when you bring her in, kala mo naglalaro ng dalawang set eh. She's always ready.
Ready.
Look at that. Oh, look at that elevation.
Ella De Jesus.
Amazing vertical leap. 14 serving 15. Ferrer pops it back. Sent back by Gretchen Ho. Oy, lapit. Inaangguluhan na lang ni Banatikla. Balik kay Phil Kainglet.
Oh, and Phil off the block.
You see, that's something that we wouldn't see in a rookie or a sophomore. She has just more power now that can create yung mga ganun. Dati hindi.
Right.
15 all. Service. De Jesus.
15 all. Combination. Herbacio was there. Ferrer back to the captain. And the captain delivers. Phil Kainglet, the captain this year of Ateneo. Last year it was Jem. Now the lead with the Lady Eagles. Back in a moment.